Hello advanced math students. This is your assignment video for the week of February 1st through 5th. We have 3 things that you're going to do this week. So here is what you should see in Schoology. We have the February 1st through 5th advanced math assignments. This is your first one, including the question of the week, which I'll talk about next. But then we have lesson 4.5 and then lesson 4.4b and 4.5b. So let's take a look at each one. First thing is the assignment video and the question of the week. The assignment video will be linked in here in a moment, so there will be another link here, which will be the assignment video. But this is the first thing you are going to do. You're going to watch the video and watch it before you come to the scheduled Google Meet. But then the question of the week is the exit ticket attached. And I want this done by the end of the week. So here it is right here. It's a Google form. It's like 6 or 7 questions. It should not take you very long at all, but I would like that completed by the end of the week. I will remind you of that when we have our scheduled Google Meet. The second thing you are going to do is the 4.4 4.5 graphing in standard form. It is in Go Formative. You have a video to watch, and this one is a long one. I am sorry. It is a long one. Bear with me. Break it up if you need to, but it is a long one. And then you have the practice or the homework, whatever you want to call it. And I believe there's 1 through 14 that you are going to be doing. You are going to be graphing like 6 of them that I will be checking every so often. The third thing you are going to do is 4.4b and 4.5b. These are all word problems. You're going to be writing equations both in slope-intercept form and in standard form. You're not going to be doing any graphing. Again, it is in Go Formative. You have the video to watch, and it is not that long, definitely shorter than the last one. And then you have the practice or the homework, and I believe this one has 15 problems. If you have questions, please make sure you message me. Otherwise, have a great week.